In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group chat on Messenger. First up, open the Messenger app and click on this to option right over here, or this pen to option. Once you do that, click on the group chat option and then select the people you'd like to be in the group. So I'm just going to select a couple of people that I want to be in the group. So once you're done selecting the people that you want to be in the group, you can then easily click on the create option right over here. And that's how you can easily create a group on Messenger. You can also name the group or something like that. For example, if you click on the name option, you'll be able to give your group chat a name, something like maybe house party or something like that. And then I can then easily click on the save option, and there I've successfully named my group. So you can easily name your group by clicking on the name option, and you can also add some more people by clicking on the add option right over here, and you'll be able to add people to your group. So that's how you can easily create a group on Messenger. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.